Question number 10th, exercise 2.4, chapter 2nd, mathematics class 8th, linear equations in one variable. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. Let's visualize the question. We have got Aman and he's got a son. Two hints are given to us which will ultimately help us in finding their present ages. So let's read the statement again. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. So here if you observe, son's age is independent quantity because Aman's age can be found if we know son's age. But right now, we do not know any of them. So it is a better practice in mathematics to assume independent quantity. So we will consider son's age to be S years. And why S? Because S denotes son. And we know very well from our previous questions that we consider variable with small letter. Therefore we wrote let son's age be equal to S years. Years obviously because years is a unit of ages. Now we are in a position to find Aman's age because it is dependent on son's age. That is Aman's age is in mathematics means equal to 3 times his son age. So 3s years. We need not to write multiplication sign in between variable and its coefficient. This you know very well. With this, first statement has been written mathematically. Now let's read second statement. 10 years ago. Just stop here. If these are their present ages, so what would be their ages 10 years before? It would be subtraction of 10 from both these ages. So we have done the same. 10 years ago, son's age was, right now he is S years. So S minus 10 years is son's age 10 years before. It is simple like this. If you're 20 right now, 10 years before you were 20 minus 10. That is 10 years old. Similarly, Aman's age 10 years ago was, right now he is 3s years. So he was 3s minus 10 years 10 years ago. With this, we have found their ages 10 years ago. Now let's read rest of the statement. 10 years ago, he means Aman, was 5 times his son's age. So this will give us our desired equation which we will have to find in order to get their present ages. Therefore, this is sign of therefore in mathematics. 10 years ago, he was, that is Aman was means equal to. So we wrote Aman's age, that is 3s minus 10 years ago, equal to 5 times his son's age at that point of time. That is 10 years ago. So 10 years ago, son was S minus 10 years. Right now we are not writing units. You can write it, but we can avoid units while solving. We will write our unit in the final answer. We are not done yet. We have to multiply it with 5. That is this complete age. We have to multiply it with 5 because this statement says the same. 10 years ago, Aman was 5 times. So we have to multiply 5 times. Now this equates, that is whatever the value we have on left hand side is equal to value on right hand side. Our all hints are over and we have found our desired equation. We need to solve it and we will be able to get their present ages. So let's do the same. So 3s minus 10 as it is on left hand side equal to as it is. Let's open the bracket. 5 into s is 5s minus 5 into 10 is 50. Now let's transpose and let's try to separate our variable s. 3s as it is on left hand side. We have 5s on right hand side which is positive. When we will transpose it, it will become minus. So we wrote the same, that is minus 5s equal to as it is. On right hand side we were left with minus 50. So we wrote minus 50 as it is. And minus 10 is our constant on left hand side. When we will transpose it towards right hand side, it is minus here. It will become plus 10. Now let's solve it. Different signs, we are going to subtract it and sign will come of greater number. By greater number, we mean the value without considering its signs. So 5 is greater, so sign will come of negative and we are going to subtract it. 3s minus 5s equals to 2s, obviously of negative, equal to as it is. Again, different signs, we are going to subtract and sign will come of greater number, in this case negative. So negative 50, when we subtract 10 from it, we get 40. So minus 40. Cancelling opportunity, negative can be cancelled with negative. We have told you in equations, you can operate on numerator part separately and in denominator part separately. Here we are dealing with numerator because denominator is 1, it is understood. So negative got cancelled. 1 2 is a 2, 22 is a 40. With this, we have separated our variable. Henceforth, value of s came as 20 and we have assumed s as son's age, that is his present age. So son's age equals to 20 years. Well, very important point is that you have to write units. So 20 years, it represents son's age right now. Since we were required to find their present ages, that is, we have to find Aman's age as well. So Aman's age is simple, it is 3 times S years, that is his current age. So 3 into 20 is 60 years. So this was very easy question. You just have to visualize it and convert every statement into its mathematical representation. With this, our last question, question number 10th of linear equations in one variable, chapter 2nd, exercise 2.4, class 8th has been solved.